How to add text to your video on CapCut app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text to your video easily and fast on CapCut. First thing, go to CapCut app. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now click on your video or upload a new video from here. I already have this one. Now what you have to do to add a text to your video is by going down here and click on this text option. Now click add text right here. As you can see, now write your text, for example test, and you can now edit it from here, as you can see, and you can change the font. You have many options, as you can see, and you can also make it animated if you want. And after you finish, click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.